Our all-purpose cloths come in a wide array of colors in order to identify and separate their uses when using around your home. The all-purpose cloths are designed with the same high quality to trap and remove dust, dirt, grease, and grime. The ribbed surfaces of the kitchen and bath cloths remove stains and restores to a like-new shine. Perfect for granite, marble, and stainless steel appliances. The wood and furniture cloths will not scratch delicate surfaces. Each cloth is ultra soft and suede, perfect for wood, furniture, TVs, and computer screens. Lastly, our premium MicroSwipe Extra Large Cloth is super absorbent and holds up to 6 times its weight in water.